to make it through the night. If my love pours in tears in me tonight, I would live with you for just a little while. But I love her the same way I love you now. Yeah, I'm sorry I can't be with you tonight. Tita Vera, Tita Vasco, Chino Alvarez, Desiree. So I want to hold you in my arms tonight. Conchita, I couldn't take the chance 'cause it won't be right. Katrina, I'm so sorry, Teresa. Maybe when we meet again some other time, you do us home. 'Cause tonight I'll only share my love with her.
Wow.
So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be in two places at the same time, believe me, I will share my love with you. Mama June, Dada Road, Flirty, make a love shout out. 22 million in the house. Make a love shout out. Make a love shout out. Pamilya Rakapag, thank you so much. Nare Million. Isang pagpainit dyan. Woo! So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be in two places at the same time, believe me, I will share my love with you. Oh,
Wow.
believe me, I would share my love with you. Oh, believe me, I would share my love with you. Pamilyar ang kapag. Believe me, I'll share my love with you.